Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cotton candy tart. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality components for the best flavor. This tart combines a crisp crust with a smooth, sweet filling, all crowned with fluffy cotton candy. It's a fun and impressive dessert perfect for any occasion, offering a unique blend of textures and tastes. Now, let's create the foundation for our tart, the crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed shortbread cookies, which provides a lovely buttery base. Mix these crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter until well combined. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch tart pan, ensuring it's compact. Then, chill it for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a firm, sliceable crust. Next, we'll prepare the luscious, creamy filling that complements the cotton candy so beautifully. In a medium bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Beat these together until smooth. Then, incorporate 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Continue beating until the filling is light, airy, and perfectly fluffy. This creates a delightful contrast to the sweet topping. Finally, it's time to bring all the elements together for our stunning cotton candy tart. Carefully spoon the creamy filling into your chilled cookie crust, spreading it evenly with an offset spatula. Once filled, refrigerate the tart for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing the filling to set firmly. The magic happens just before serving. Generously top your tart with fresh, fluffy cotton candy. It's a showstopper dessert that's sure to impress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.